Okay, update video. I now have the rear skid and track totally removed from the sled. The rear grab bar. Getting ready to drill out all those rivets that hold that front cooler in. You can see some, some of the stud rash on the front cooler, but it's nothing, just cosmetic damage. There's a drill I'm going to use. I gotta get another drill bit. Started drilling out the rear rivets that hold on this cooler. Have the hood off now. See the hood over there. Steering arms out. Unbolted. Real pain to get that out. Working on the tie rod. This arm right here, getting this all disassembled. See here's the front cooler comes through with the two hoses for it. The rivets on the other side. There's going to be a little bit of drilling, but get that through. Then there's an A-arm bolt right down here. Lower A-arm bolts. Got this one loose. Working on that one. Those are 16 millimeters. This bolt's out that holds a pivot arm. Still gotta get through to the other one. Fairly it's been a project since it's been 16 years old. All these rusted bolts. There's the track. See how bad that thing is. The main wiring harness. Clutch cover for the belt, the rear bumper. There's a skid frame that came out of it. Still in good shape for the most part. The slides are absolutely fine on it. There's the drive shaft, drive clog. This bearing right here though didn't have too much life left. You see it's just wobbling around. Let me show you the bottom of the skid frame here. Slide this back. Good shape. The slides are still in real good shape. You kind of see where it, it kind of wore in certain areas on it. But otherwise in good shape. I mean, the one shock is leaking a little bit out of the back here, but this one's still good. The very front shock. A couple of the bogie wheels need to be replaced, so the bearings are gone out on them. But yeah, it's almost stripped down. I got these front suspension parts, the tie rods, and it's almost down to the tunnel. Pretty close to it. But yep, it's time to get back under here and drill all these rivets out.